Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Decorate A Hutch Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home Decor and more, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels as well as any other participating channels. They'll all be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Feel free to join us in any of these collaborations. I'd like to say a special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for organizing all of these wonderful collaborations. This is the area I'm going to be decorating today. I have this really long wooden buffet and I want to add some color and interest to this for the new upcoming season. I'll add this beautiful plaid table runner with this lovely sage green. I recently put together this beautiful sunflower lantern. It'll be the perfect thing on this end of the buffet. On the other end, I'll add this lovely sunflower basket that was a gift from one of my dear friends. I have this beautiful little woven basket vase that I purchased in Germany, and I'm going to add some little sprigs of sunflowers that I have from another project. This will be just right in the center of the buffet. To tie in with the greenery on the lantern, I'm going to add some more greenery right here beside this beautiful sunflower basket. This lovely green pumpkin will look so pretty here on the greenery. To tie in with the beautiful white pumpkins in the sunflower basket, I'll add one more white pumpkin on this side. And then I'll add a nice fall leaf with acorns. A little more greenery will tie everything together. In no time at all, we've completely decorated this console table in my kitchen. It adds such beautiful color and flowers for the season. And of course, the pumpkins and greenery and sunflowers. I am so happy you are here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be really happy if you check out the other channels and this collaboration for decorating inspiration. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.